Today, I'll show you how to make soba salad.
こんにちは、I'm Nami from Just One Cookbook.
Soba salad is the perfect choice for a quick and light meal. Tossed in honey sesame dressing, you can easily customize this refreshing salad with your favorite vegetables and proteins. This soba salad can be served chilled or at room temperature.
Find more cooking tips on the website and look for the link in the description box below. Now let's get started.
Let's start by making the dressing. Combine 1 tablespoon oil, 3 tablespoon toasted sesame oil, and half teaspoon crushed red pepper in a small saucepan. Whisk it all together and infuse the oil over medium heat for 3 minutes. The oil should sizzle but do not burn the chili flakes. Remove from the heat and let cool for 1 to 2 minutes. Add 3 tablespoons honey and whisk well until it has completely dissolved. Then add 3 tablespoons soy sauce to the mixture and whisk it all together. Don't add the soy sauce before the honey as it will splatter in the hot oil. Set the dressing aside. Thinly slice 2 green onions. Then chop the leafy parts of cilantro into small pieces. I don't usually add the stems, so you can discard or use them. Add dry soba noodles to boiling water. Cook, stirring occasionally until al dente. I like to aim for slightly less cooking time than indicated on the package. Once cooked, drain the noodles in colander and rinse under cold running water. This crucial step removes the excess starch and stops the cooking process. Drain well, then transfer to a large bowl. Pour the cool dressing over the noodles. Add the green onions, cilantro leaves, and toasted white sesame seeds to the noodles, leaving some for garnish. Toss everything together. Transfer the soba noodles to a serving bowl or plate. Garnish with the cilantro, green onions, and sesame seeds. Serve chilled or at room temperature. For a spicy kick, you can sprinkle shichimi togarashi. Enjoy!
Itadakimasu!
I hope you enjoy this recipe and check out more of my videos here. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. またね!